Nigeria! Nigeria! Atiku Abubakar. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to introduce to you one single Nigerian with multiple competencies, intellectually mobile and politically sagacious. The man who has the symbol to symbolize the political symbolism of unionism. Kungan Shinan, he is a gentleman to the core. We were in Lagos last week, and I want to tell you, sir, that I salute your intellectual sagacity. You have just displayed the advantage of having a master's in international relations from a Cambridge University. This man is the solution to our problem in this country. He has done it before, he can do it. I have said everywhere that we have two billionaires contesting this election. Billionaire Atiku Abubakar and billionaire Tinubu. He is a billionaire with enterprise. You find Atiku in manufacturing, you find Atiku in banking, you find Atiku in education, you find Atiku in logistics, you find Atiku in any type of gas and oil. Where can you find the other man? Where can you find the other man? With a standing ovation, I want to introduce to you the next digital president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The man who knows Nigeria. The only one to unify Nigeria. When I call his name, complete it for me. Atiku. Atiku. Mr. President.